Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to draft a calendar event in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To draft a calendar event in Google Doc, go to Google Docs and open a blank document, and you will find on upper right corner calendar icon. Click on calendar icon. Here in below you will find create an event. Just click on create an event. Type the event name. I'm typing birthday party and select the date from here. I'm selecting a date September 4 and select the time and you can select time from here and you can select the time zone. Click on OK. Now you can add guest. I'm adding some guests from here. And look, the guests are added here. Now just click on save. Now a question to you. Would you like to send invitation email to Google Calendar guests? And you can send the invitation. Click on send to invite the sent. To click on send to invite them and event saved. Look, the event has been set in Google Calendar from Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.